boring.
Dad, this museum is so boring. I'm really boring right now.
Do you mean bored?
Isn't that the same?
Not exactly. Boring means something makes people feel tired or not excited.
Like this museum?
Yep, that's what boring is. And bored is how you feel because of it.
So, the museum is boring, and I'm bored.
You got it. That's exactly right. The museum is boring. I am bored at the museum. Say again. The museum is boring. I am bored at the museum.
I'm reading this history book, and this book is bored.
Wait, do you mean this book is boring?
I don't know. Which one is it?
Let me see. The book is boring. It's not fun to read.
Yeah, it's super boring. So that means
That you're bored because the boring book made you feel that way.
got it now. Boring book bored me.
Perfect. And now you're learning while being bored.
Don't say. This book is bored. Say. This book is boring. Say again. This book is boring.
Ice cream is never boring. We are never bored when we eat it.
This carousel is not boring. I am not bored when playing with it. This book is boring. I am bored when reading it. This carousel is very old. I'm bored of playing on it.
Don't say, I am boring. Say, I am bored. Say again, I am bored.
We are never bored.
We are never bored.
We are never bored. Thank you for watching.
Bye and see you next time.